how to see how many hours you've played a game on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to see how many hours you have played a game on your PS4, now if you were on PS5, I'm saying if you were on PS5, you would need to go to profile, and when you went to your profile and then you navigated maybe to the games section over here, you would be able to see the number of games you have played, the progress, and the playtime, which means the number of hours you have played a particular game. Now that is possible on PS5, but as you can see on my PS4, we do have the progress bar and the trophies bar. There is no the amount of the time we have played that game. Now unfortunately, Sony or PlayStation doesn't make it possible for us to view the hours played on PS4, but what you can do is, if your friend or maybe someone you know, such as a relative, owns a PS5, you can log in your account to that PS5, and then you will actually be able to see the playtime. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to play the game on that PS5. It doesn't work that way, because even if you play the game on PS4, if you log in that exact account, because your account has the data, so when you log in that account to another PlayStation 5 console, then it will actually give you the playtime details. But unfortunately on PS4 it's not that possible. So hope this video helped you understand the question. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.